In this video, I'm going to be replacing the backup batteries in this Firelight FCPS24. So the first step is I'm going to go ahead and get my Firelight key. And this power supply is energized, so I do have to be careful. A lot of that right there is high voltage, so you can't touch that. Obviously, here are the two batteries that we're replacing. There's kind of your NAC circuits, there's some field wiring, and this right here is just the SLC, so don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is pull out these batteries. So the first thing is to actually go ahead and pull off this wiring harness right here, which connects to the board right there. And you can see that the battery light just came on, and you can probably hear the LCD ADF upstairs is beeping because this is in trouble. So it's going to show a NAC fault since this is supervised by the NAC circuit on the MS9200. So I don't want to go all the way up there to acknowledge it right now, so let's just go ahead and pull these out and swap them out. Alright, so here are the old batteries. I'm going to go ahead and grab the new ones now. And these batteries were actually purchased at the same time as the ones for the fire panel, so I'm going to be labeling these October 2020. They have been used in a fire alarm system for a couple months, but they're basically brand new batteries. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull off the black and red wire from the old batteries. And I'm actually going to go ahead and pinch them a little bit with some pliers, just so they're nice and tight on the battery terminals. I'm going to take the new one and press on the black, and the red, and press it on the red terminal. I'm going to go ahead and pull off this other wire off the old ones. And this one actually has a really small little tiny spade terminal on it, meant for a different size of battery, and I actually had to file that down a little bit, which normally you shouldn't really do. So this will not work on my brand new batteries. So I got a brand new wiring harness here, and I'm just going to be taking this different jumper cable out of it. And this one has the correct terminals, so I can go ahead and shove that on there, and push that one on the other one, and now we have a complete pack. So to make this thing stop beeping, I'm going to go ahead and throw these back in the panel. Alright, so there are the new batteries, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it back in, and tuck the wires back in there, and that clicked back, and the panel should stop. And it did. So now I'm going to go ahead and print out some labels and put them on. Alright, so I have the labels here. Sorry it's a bit louder, our furnace is running, so I'm going to go ahead and put the labels on, and then we'll be done. Alright, there we go. The labels are on, and we can go ahead and close the panel. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.